Now we will discuss the obstructive versus restrictive. What is the India was Pakistan? What is the difference between the obstructive and restrictive lung diseases? Obstructive lung diseases means the obstruction for the movement of the air from the environment into the lungs. And restrictive, as नाम से जा रहा है रिस्ट्रिक्टिव मीन ऐसी डिजीजेस जो एयर को अंदर आने से ही रोकती हैं, वैसे ही रोकती हैं, वो रिसेक्शन काज करती है एयर के लिए, ठीक है। तो ये डिफरेंस है ऑब्स्ट्रक्टिव और रिस्ट्रिक्टिव लंग डिजीजेस का। ओके, नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट द ऑब्स्ट्रक्टिव लंग डिजीजेस। तो सो देयर आर द फॉलोइंग फोर टाइप्स ऑफ ऑब्स्ट्रक्टिव लंग डिजीजेस। व्हिच फोर टाइप्स? एम्फीसीमा, गुड, अस्थमा, गुड, सीओपीडी, सीओपीडी में कौन सी डिजीज आती है फर्दर? क्रोनिक ब्रोंकाइटिस और एम्फीसीमा। ओके, आस्मा एंड bronchitis. Good. So these are the four obstructive lung diseases. Now we'll talk about the obstructive lung diseases. Number one is emphysema. Number two is chronic. Today this Merkel is creating a very much problem. Chronic. Chronic bronchitis. Number three, emphysema, chronic bronchitis, asthma. Number four, bronchiectasis. Okay. First of all, we will discuss about emphysema because, and after that we will discuss chronic bronchitis because these are father and mother-in-law. ओके, ये दोनों दादा दादा हैं दोनों, इनकी क्योंकि जो मेन काजिंग एजेंट्स हैं वो सेम है, ठीक है। सो हियर इज अ पर्सन नाउन एज शेख रशीद। ओके, बिकॉज शेख रशीद what cigar this is Sheikh Rashid and he peels he smoke cigar. Okay, Sheikh Rashid is smoking. Discussing about emphysema. What is emphysema? Emphysema is a permanent enlargement of the no acini. What is acini, Doctor Usman? What is acini? ACINI. Okay, I will. Anybody have idea about acini? No idea? Okay, you will clear now. Permanent enlargement of, that's why I am here to guide you. Permanent enlargement. Oh, this is also not working. Not working. Why? This is new. This is also Shulka with me.
You can shake the marker.
But my hand will be damaged. I can't shake. Permanent enlargement of acini. Okay.
Does that make sense?
Acini.
This should be related to SNS cells.
No SNF cells, guys. SNF cells, I think, present in the liver, not in the lungs. In the lungs, goblet cells.
Yes.
Or mucus production. Okay. Permanent enlargement of acini. What is acini? Acini is a very important thing. Acini contain, let me draw a beautiful acini so that you can understand. This is the Sheikh Rashid, lungs of Sheikh Rashid, bronchi of Sheikh Rashid. This is the primary bronchi. This is the secondary bronchi. This is the tertiary bronchi, and this is the terminal bronchioles, and this is the respiratory bronchioles, and this is the alveolar duct, and this is the alveoli. Okay, and acini contain respiratory bronchiole, alveolar duct, and alveoli. This is acini composition. Uh, Not composition means complete structure which consists of alveolar duct, alveoli, and respiratory bronchioles. How many secondary bronchi in left lungs? How many secondary bronchi? Two.
Yes,
In right lung, in right lung, how many secondary bronchi? Three. Here in right lung, three secondary bronchiole, and in right lung, two, and tertiary bronchi in left. चलिए मैं आपको इंग्लिश में बताता हूँ सोगुस अब बताएं हाँ सोगुस नॉट टोगुस 8 and in case of right lung Dr. Rahman how many tertiary bronchi yes you are very right on 10 mean in Kyrgyz on okay and in Russian this is from state का 50 Почему Pakistan okay this is adult university good अच्छा ये तो ये इसकी जो है ना फिजियोलॉजी एनाटॉमी सॉरी ठीक है चलो दोस्त हमारे पता तो चलेगा आवाज तो करेक्ट है अच्छा जी उसके बाद लगता है गुजारे जाने देना शुगर लगे हैं permanent enlargement of the acini. So this is the normal acini. This is the now I am drawing this structure. Okay, this structure I am drawing there.
Can I go for a while for 1 minute to something?
Yes, you can go. No, no, no.
Next meeting.
Okay, but come fast.
Okay.
अब रहना है इस पर
Okay.
राजा उसके बाद okay, this is the respiratory bronchiole, this is the alveolar duct, this is the alveoli. Three structures are present in acini. Okay, so in emphysema there is a permanent enlargement of acini. Okay, and how this enlargement will occur? This is here, this is smoking. Smoking, and in this smoke there are reactive. मैंने वैसे जो है ना उसको रोज का नाम दिया है मतलब थोड़ा सा इसको एंजॉय करने के लिए रोज reactive oxygen substances which are present in the smoke or in the air. Okay, so now reactive oxygen toxin, this is a more better word. Reactive oxygen toxins mean these are the toxins, of course these are toxins. Reactive oxidative toxins. Here he is smoking, then and the reactive oxidative toxins are moving inside the lungs. This is a point number one in the pathophysiology of the emphysema. Okay, this is the point number one. Now we are discussing that how actually emphysema occur. How actually emphysema occur. Okay. Up to FSC, we have discussed what is emphysema. Emphysema is the collapse of the alveoli and there will be the yes. Up to FSC, we have discussed what is emphysema, Dr. Ahmed. Emphysema is a collapse of the alveoli. Okay, and there will be the less surface area for the gas exchange. Okay, and but now we will discuss the mechanism how emphysema occur and how the alveoli collapse with each other. Okay, now we will discuss. So this is the point number one. In smoking, Sheikh Rashid is smoking, and in smoke there are of course ROS, reactive oxidative toxins. Of course, these are the toxins because they damage our alveoli. That's why they are toxic material for us and noxious materials. Reactive oxidative toxins are moving inside the lungs, and when they are moving in the lungs, then there now I am drawing the one alveoli. These are the alveoli. Now I am drawing one alveolus. One alveolus. This is the one alveolus. Okay. And in this alveolus, alveolus are supplied with the capillaries. Okay, with the blood. So here are the capillaries. I will draw. These are the capillaries, and capillaries contain endothelial cells. Capillaries contain endothelial cells, and alveoli contain epithelial cells. These are the endothelial cells, and here cells, and these are the epithelial cells. Epithelial cells, and epithelial cells contain what? Macrophages, and capillaries contain neutrophils. Okay, capillaries contain, of course, red blood cells, and neutrophils. Okay, and here is a neutrophil. And here is the Macrophage. Macrophage. Okay. What actually will do? First of all, what is the difference between inflammatory mediators and inflammatory cells? What is the difference?
Mediator is regulators.
Okay, regulators. Okay.
Because of example, like example, we need histamine.
Yes.
So like they have the regulator.
Yes.
Another one.
And their main role is
So
आज उधर शादी है, खाना खा लो।
so to maintain the contractions.
no contraction. इधर शादी आओ, खाना खा लो, न्यूट्रोफिल्स को दवा देते हैं वाली में
No. I'm talking about the histamine.
Histamine is also chemotactic factor.
Yes, chemotactic.
And chemotactic factor is major role is कि वो नई का काम करता है, बुलाता है कि आओ मेरे पास,
Yes.
यहाँ पे कुछ हो रहा है,
Yes.
उनका ये काम है. Okay. So inflammatory mediators are what? Nai. Okay. Means they will distribute the cards of any marriage. They are saying that the dulhan is coming from smoking, the bride is coming from smoking, and here the nai is present, which is drum beater, which is macrophages. When these reactive oxidants toxins reach to the macrophages, then these macrophages will activate, and these macrophages will secrete which? Interleukin 1, interleukin 8, okay, and leukotriene beta 4, okay. So these bride is coming from the inspiration. These reactive oxidant toxins are coming from the upper respiratory tract, and they will move toward the alveoli, and here in the alveoli there are the macrophages present. You know macrophages play an important role. Any foreign particles come and the macrophage will activate to destroy their particle. Okay, and macrophages, what will cause macrophages? They will secrete which thing? Inflammatory mediators. Which inflammatory mediators? Interleukin 1, interleukin 8, tumor necrosis factor,
Yes.
and leukotriene. But here is interleukin 8, interleukin 6 also present, but main inflammatory mediators which are present in the alveoli are interleukin 1, 8, tumor necrosis factor, and leukotriene beta 4. These are the main factors. Okay. After that, what happened? You know, this is the nine macrophages, and now these mediators will cause the neutrophils that come here. There is a problem. Please come to help us. And then the neutrophil will move from the squeeze, will infiltrate from the capillaries wall. And okay, obviously when they squeeze and squeeze across the capillary wall, they will destroy the breathing endothelial cells. And when the endothelial cell will be damaged, then there will be the inflammation. And when the inflammation will be occur, this is what? This is injury. Okay. Okay. Now,
So what like this mechanism got like neutrophils squeeze and what is
this is not a. You are saying that what is the exact name of this mechanism? Exact mechanism is there is no name for this thing. इसका जो है ना कोई एक स्पेसिफिक नाम नहीं है इसका. इस ये कि क्या ये पैथोजेनेसिस है किसी चीज की एम्फीजीमा की, इस उसके हम पैथोजेनेसिस को डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. अगर आप कहते हैं अगर आप इसको नाम देना चाह रहे हैं इस वक्त, तो आप इसको एम्फीजीमा का नाम दे सकते हैं कि ये एम्फीजीमा डिजीज है, उसकी जो है पैथोजेनेसिस हो रही है. जैसे सी बात है, एम्फीजीमा क्या है? थोड़ा ब्रॉडली होता है. एम्फीजीमा क्या है? इंजरी है किस चीज की? एंडोथेलियल और एपिथेलियल मेम्ब्रेन की. एंडोथेलियल में एंडोथेलियल सेल डैमेज होंगे, और एपिथेलियल में जब एपिथेलियल में टाइप 1 है या टाइप 2 है, जब टाइप 2 डिस्ट्रॉय होंगे तो क्या होगा जी? सर्फेक्टेंट प्रोड्यूस नहीं होंगे. जब सर्फेक्टेंट नहीं होंगे तो इंजरी होगी. इंजरी होगी तो क्या होगा जी? एयर के मूवमेंट में ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन कॉज होगी. जब ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन कॉज होगी तो क्या होगा? सिंपली उस पूरे मैकेनिज्म को क्या नाम देंगे? एम्फीजीमा। बस बात खत्म। एम्फीजीमा is injury to what? Endothelial and epithelial cells. And the in injury number one is played by the smoking, and number two, this smoking the active oxidative charges will stimulate the macrophages. These macrophages will secrete the inflammatory mediators. These inflammatory mediators now called the neutrophils. This is the number 2 point, macrophages, and number 3 point, this is the neutrophils.
Yes.
And the neutrophils will squeeze and infiltrate into the what? Into the interstitial space and then into the alveoli. And here they will secrete proteases. And what is proteases? Proteases are elastase or metalloprotease. Okay, these substances will cause the destruction of the type 2 epithelial cells. Type 1 and type 2. And now the neutrophils will squeeze here and they will secrete proteases. Which type of main? Elastase and metalloprotease. Actually, there is an imbalance between the protease and antiprotease. What is protease and antiprotease?
You can give the name like we have.
Antiprotease.
You can give the name as the reagent in the percentage. Obviously, it's correlate.
बस ये भाई आपने इसको नाम देने झूलेगा, ठीक है? इधर इधर जो है ना, एक साइड पे उस्मान बैठा हुआ है और एक साइड पे मैं बैठा हूँ। हम दोनों का वेट बराबर है, कितना? 58 मेरा 58 है, आपको कुछ नहीं होगा, ठीक है? हमारा दोनों का वेट बराबर है। और हमें स्पोर्ट कौन कर रहा है? इस बात लाइन स्पोर्ट कर रहे हैं, उन्होंने हमें मतलब ये स्पोर्ट कर रहे हैं। और इधर किनको कौन स्पोर्ट कर रहा है? इन केस अवेलेबल है एपिथेलियल सेल्स। एपिथेलियल सेल्स प्रोटीएज और एंटीप्रोटीएज जो दो सब्सटेंसेस हैं, इनको बैलेंस में रखते हैं। क्या है जी? प्रोटीएज इज अ वेरी टॉक्सियस फॉर द type 2 and type 1 epithelial cells, and antiprotease will destroy the proteases and they keep the balance. But when we are smoking, noxious particles coming into the alveoli and into the alveoli, look here, please look here, into the alveoli, when into the alveoli, they will activate the macrophages will stimulate the inflammatory mediators will invite the neutrophils, come here, there is a problem, neutrophils will squeeze into the interstitium and then into the alveoli, and then they will secrete proteases.
Yes.
It means the number of protease will be increases.
Increases.
It will increases.
Yes.
Protease. When the proteases increases, then there will be the more destruction of the
Type 1 and
type 1 and type 2 cells. And there will be the more obstruction, then surfactant will not produce, and there will be injury.
जिस चीज का वजन ज्यादा था वो नीचे आती है और जिसका कम होता है ऊपर जाता है।
वही मैं ऐसे बना रहा था, आप लोगों ने फिर मुझे वैसे बनवा दिया।
वो बता रहे थे ना कि 50-50 है ना, सेम है।
वैसे ये तो बात आपकी ठीक है। वैसे मैं फिर रिव्यू बना रहा था, आपने इसमें मुझे गद्दार कर दिया। हमारा था एमकेड में तैयारी करवाता था, इंग्लिश का प्रोफेसर था, वो बड़ा फनी था। तो बच्चों यहाँ से तुम लोगों ने डाल दिखाना है, तो तुमने भी मेरा मुझे डाल चढ़ा दिया, ठीक है? फ्लोर का था वो। चलो जो भी है समझ तो आगे ना लोगों को। Proteases will be increased in number. Okay. So this is the mechanism of emphysema. How actually emphysema occurs. And now we will discuss the types of emphysema. So
सर कितना टाइम लगेगा
So I think
मैंने
it's
नमाज पे
enough.
टाइम दिया ना फिर
I think it's enough, sir.
enough. तुमको आधा क्लियर नहीं हुआ.
Sir, because you ate too many things there. Be like,
Okay. Now I will complete my lecture in 10 to 20 minutes.
ओके सर
10 and 20 minutes. You will enjoy the lecture. You will not get bored.
नहीं सर
no,
बोल
sir,
नहीं हो
it's
रहा
not like it's dependable. Like it depends on the remembrance things.
मतलब
It's a
यार
lot
को
of things.
डिस्कस डिस्कस करनी है अभी ये पहले डिस्कस नहीं हुई.
Yes, sir. Yes. सर इसको जिन में रखना मुश्किल है समझ जाना.
मुझे क्या है मेरे को पता चल रहा है कि मैं जोश में पढ़ा रहा हूँ.
हाँ बिल्कुल
ठीक है. पता नहीं आप जोश में पढ़ रहे हैं या
नहीं
नहीं.
सर नमाज पढ़नी है इसलिए कह रहा
नमाज
हूँ।
पढ़नी है.
Good. ऐसे सवाल हमारे लोगों का
आने मान
नमाज का कितना टाइम है उस्मान को.
हो गया टाइम सर नमाज का स्टार्ट
हो तो गया स्टार्ट लेकिन शाम के से पहले पढ़ सकते हैं.
हाँ जी, वो
जब टाइम मतलब वो हो जाए ना शायद जैसे नहीं कर सकते. हाँ इस बात में तो
पढ़ लेते हैं.
जब ऐसे नमाज लेट पड़ी जाए तो हम नाश्ते में काम करते
लेकिन अल्लाह ताला पता है मजबूरी है अब इधर करके क्या करें.
तो
लेकिन नहीं टाइम पड़ा है ना जब पढ़ते नहीं नमाज तो टाइम पड़ा है.
नहीं कोई मसला नहीं. पढ़ लेंगे उसके बाद पढ़ने के बाद फिर आ जाएंगे बैठ.
नहीं कोई मसला रहना वो फिर टाइम बहुत लग जाएगा तो घर भी जाना काम तो इधर रहने नहीं पड़ते. बस मैं फिनिश करता हूँ. ठीक है. तो अब आपको टाइम लग जाएगा. Now we discuss the types of emphysema. मैं क्यों खोल लेता हूँ. Types of emphysema. Central acinar emphysema. Number one is central acinar emphysema. This is the इसको उठाना पड़ेगा किसी न किसी बात को. What is the central acinar emphysema? Central acinar emphysema is the proximal part, mean distal to the which to the terminal bronchioles. Distal to the terminal bronchioles. Okay, distal to the respiratory bronchiole. You can say distal to the respiratory bronchiole, and the proximal part of the acini will be injured in case of central acinar. Okay, this is the central acinar. Number two is pan acinar. This is a pan. इसका कोई इशू नहीं है. ये हर तरह से जो है ना घिरा हुआ है. पूरा ऐसे पूरा का पूरा ऐसे नहीं will be injured. In this case, whole acini will be injured. Whole acini will be injured in case of per acini, or sorry, pan acini. Now, the next one is the third one is distal. This is the distal acinar, in which the distal part of the acinar is injured. Distal acinar. Distal. Now the fourth one is distal. Sorry, irregular acinar, which may be damaged at any part. This is the irregular number 4. Irregular, maybe at the proximal part and some part at the distal part, some in between these parts, it is damaged. Okay. So type 1 is century SNR, type 2 is pen SNR, pen complete. And now third one is distal and fourth one is irregular SNR. Okay. Now these are the types, and now we will discuss the main thing, that diagnosis. How we will diagnose if the patient will come to us. This is the main thing. Now we will check the patient, and after that we will finish. I think you want time. Other three we will cover in the next lecture.
Yes.
Okay.